Okay, I've slightly set myself a challenge here. I'm going to see if I can achieve this. Right, I'm going to have to concentrate on what I'm trying to do here. So, the challenge for day 22 of Mathober is movable. And I wanted to try and create something that I've seen, I guess, that I enjoyed. So, I'm going to make a point there, and then I'm going to say reflect. Yeah, there we go. So I reflect that object in. Oh, there's not a line there yet. Oh, absolute scenes. Let's make a line between those two, and I'm going to reflect that object in that line. Okay, so now I've got a polygon that is those four corners. Da 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 da. So this is a thing which I've kind of seen someone else made one, and I had a bit of fun playing with it, but it was essentially. Oh, undo. Don't want that. Undo. There we go. It was essentially a set of squares which weren't all necessarily squares. So, for example, no, still don't want that. So, for example, this is not a square because if I move this point, it's actually a generalized sort of kitey thing, but if I drop it back in there, I get a square. I could make another one which is. What could I do? Oh, I could do one that's a rectangle. I can do that. So if I put these 2 points in, and then I have another point there, and then I have this point, which is, it's not 5, 0, it's x of f 0. Is that going to work? So now if I move f, it moves g. Okay, and then I'll make a polygon there. And you can actually do this because the square, it turns out, is a degenerate case of a bunch of different things. So actually, if you want, to create a range of these, you can basically pick a generalized quadrilateral. I'm just generally trying to not show the labels on these things if possible. I don't want that. I want that. No, don't. Oh, it doesn't matter. Anyway, what else can I do? What else is a square? Oh, it's like a trapezium. So I could do a point there. I'll do the top. So I'll not have a point there. I'll have a point there and a point there. And then I'll have a point here. And then I need a line there. And then I need another point. Oh, I need to reflect that point in that line. There we go. And then I don't need to show those things. And this one should make me a nice trapeze guy. Okay, so now if I'm on the right tool, I can modify this. Yeah, so you think these are all squares, but actually they're not. There's some other things. And this one, that's a rectangle. Oh gosh. Yeah, that shouldn't be allowed. Anyway, have fun with this. Try your own. Have fun.